The battle of the most prestigious collegiate fishing tournament in the U.S. is about to begin. It's day one of the 2012 BoatUS Collegiate Bass Fishing Championship. This year, the event has grown to become the largest collegiate fishing event in the nation. With 105 colleges across the U.S. and Canada, 200 teams with a total of 400 collegiate anglers assembled. They all come together here at Pickwick Lake, Florence, Alabama to battle it out for the title, huge prizes, and bragging rights for the best of the best in the collegiate fishing world. Yes! Welcome to the 2012 BoatUS Collegiate Bass Fishing Championship.